Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix incompatible Windows settings error in Bluestacks. If you coming across the following error message after launching the Bluestacks 5, it can because Hyper-V is enabled. You can resolve it by simply updating Bluestacks 5 to the latest version. To do this, open up Bluestacks and select the setting gear icon over here. Select About. Select Check for updates. If you have download update option available in here, then you just need to select it and download the latest BlueStacks version. And after that, your problem should be fixed, guys. If this solution doesn't fix your problem, then let's move on to the second solution, guys. Second solution, you just need to disable Hyper-V and run the BlueStacks as administrator. To do this, go to search menu and type tan Windows feature on or off. Click on open it. In here, you just need to uncheck the Hyper-V over here. After unchecking all the sub containers of Hyper-V management tool, Hyper-V platform, you just need to select OK to save changes. And after that, you just need to right click on the BlueStacks 5 and select properties. Select compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator and select apply and OK for save changes. Now you can launch the BlueStacks and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.